Welcome to UNV Academy. In this episode, we'll show you how to call the UNV-Link on Doorbell. Let's get started. Log into UNV-Link app. Add Doorbell to Cloud. Enable or disable sign-up free authorization as needed. The device has been added successfully. Press the doorbell button on device to make a call. Then your phone will receive the call. Tap on Answer button. Now you can talk to Doorbell and see the live view. Doorbell allows you to answer visitor calls anytime, anywhere.